In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to release and renew IP on Windows 11. This is a quick, reliable way to refresh your network connection and can help with issues like limited connectivity, websites not loading, or conflicts on your local network. This process works on most home and office networks that assign addresses automatically using DHCP, and it won't change your files or apps, only your network lease. First, open Windows Search. Press the Windows key and S together to bring up the search box, then start typing Command Prompt. You should see Command Prompt appear in the results. Next, don't just open it normally, right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. These network commands need elevated permission, so Windows can temporarily drop and then request an address. When the User Account Control prompt appears, click Yes to continue. With the black Command Prompt window open, type the command ipconfig release and press Enter. This tells Windows to let go of the current IP address assigned by your router or DHCP server. Your network may momentarily disconnect, and that's expected. You'll see output for each adapter as the address is released. If you mistype, use backspace or press the up arrow to bring the last command back and fix it before pressing Enter. Wait until the command finishes and the cursor returns to a blank line. Now, type ipconfig, renew, and press Enter. Windows will ask the network for a fresh lease. Give it a moment. You might see messages as it negotiates with the router and assigns new details. If you're connected over Wi-Fi and Ethernet, each adapter will attempt to renew. It's normal for the process to take several seconds. After the renewal completes, wait briefly for a new IP address to be assigned. The network icon should return to normal once the lease is set. Sometimes you'll receive the same IP as before. That can still resolve conflicts because the lease information is refreshed. To verify everything, type ipconfig all and press Enter. This shows a complete readout of your adapters. Look for the section that matches how you're connected. Wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi for wireless, or Ethernet adapter for a wired link. Under that section, find IPv4 address to confirm the current address, and check the lease obtained and lease expires lines to see that a new lease is in place. You can also note the default gateway, which is your router's address, to confirm the path out to the internet. That's all there is to it. You've released and renewed your IP on Windows 11 and confirmed the result, giving your connection a clean start. Thanks for following along.